I always say that the difference between me and many other pizza makers is not in my knowledge, and that's why I said that he probably knows better than me, maybe. But it's my passion. What I know is that yesterday while we make the dough, I took a dough and I threw it away because I wasn't satisfied. Most of pizza makers, they would have corrected, they would have, okay, let's make this, that's enough. I took it to throw away because whoever knows me knows my obsession for the dough.
Overall, the course, I thought it was excellent. You're talking to a guy that really is starting from scratch with this. I have a Southwestern restaurant moving over to an Italian theme. With the pizza, it was a new concept for me, and they made it very comfortable, very fun, and I learned a lot through the whole course.
It was awesome. It was super informative, very hands-on. We had a lot of training opportunity, and I feel like everyone in the course, including myself, got better at making pizza and got better at this craft.
Giulio was great. He was very energetic, wealth of knowledge, really did a great job of delivering information and providing content that most of us in the room thought we had a pretty good handle on, but definitely realized quickly that there's a lot to learn.
Giulio, I love him. He's great, made us feel very comfortable, very knowledgeable. His knowledge on everything from pizza, olive oil, regions, everything was just very informative, very fun, and he kept it going and moving, and it was just a great experience.
There's a lot. I really can't pinpoint on one thing, but just opening the dough, different dough recipes going, or having a scientific approach to making pizza, working the oven. There's so many different things that I gained and that I got better at through this course.
No, just great. The folks here at Marifornia, everybody from the top on down, from Francesco and Enzo to Anthony, Mary, who helped coordinate this, just did a fantastic job, very hospitable, and would recommend it highly.
Definitely do it. It was worth every second. If you do want to do something in this pizza industry, I recommend coming to this course and working in this test kitchen.
Today we had a demonstration on the fresh mozzarella making, and then I did a talk on olive oil and everything that we can do to add into those the knowledge that people walk away with from the raw material, the raw ingredients that are going into the pizza is great. I'm really proud and happy of the progress to see how much Pizza University is coming together, not only to help with individual classes and certify specific students, but also really to make a difference in the industry.